Deep in the heart of Maharashtra, India, lie two wonders that defy time itself. Imagine an entire temple carved out of a single piece of rock. Picture murals, hidden from the world for centuries, their colors still as vibrant as the day they were painted. These are the Ajanta and Ellora cave stone libraries of art, myth, and mystery, waiting to be explored. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell before the next ancient legend fades into history. For hundreds of years, the Ajanta caves were swallowed by the jungle, their secrets lost to the world. Then, in 1819, a British officer on a tiger hunt stumbled upon something extraordinary. Peeking through the dense foliage, he saw not just rock, but a painted wall and entrance to a world that had survived time itself. He had rediscovered a masterpiece. Step inside and you're transported back 2,000 years. The walls of Ajanta come alive with murals telling the many lives of the Buddha. You can see tales of temptation, acts of compassion, and the path to enlightenment. These intricate paintings were created by monks, working by the dim glow of oil lamps in the cool dark. They used pigments made from minerals and plants, creating colors that somehow, miraculously, still glow with life today. They are not just paintings. They are sermons in color, stories in stone. Just a short journey away lies Ellora, and it's here that human ambition seems to touch the divine. Brace yourself for the Kailasa temple. This isn't a building constructed brick by brick. It's the largest single monolithic structure on the entire planet. An army of artisans started at the top of a cliff and carved their way down, chiseling away over 200,000 tons of rock to reveal a temple complex dedicated to Lord Shiva. It's an impossible feat of devotion and engineering that leaves you speechless. So, how was this monumental temple created? Local legend claims that the Kailasa temple was carved in a mere 18 years. A Herculean task that seems almost supernatural. Architects and historians today are still debating how it was even possible with the tools of the time, calculating it should have taken centuries. But whether it was divine speed or a lost technique, the legend only adds to the overwhelming sense of awe you feel standing in its presence. But these caves were more than just temples and monasteries. They were living, breathing community centers. Wander through the cavernous halls and you can almost hear the echoes of the past. These were spaces for gatherings, for scholarly debate, and for resonant chants that would have filled the air. The acoustics in some chambers are so perfect that a single voice could carry to every corner. The stone itself was designed to amplify sound, ensuring that the stories and teachings shared within would live on forever. The Ajanta and Ellora caves are not just relics of the past. They are monuments to human imagination, faith, and a relentless drive to create something eternal. Carved in silence, their stories echo forever, reminding us of the incredible secrets hidden in stone. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.